How to fix printer operation could not be completed error. So if you want to fix printer operation could not be completed error, then what you need to do is the first method or the first thing you can do is run the Microsoft built-in printer troubleshooter. Press Windows plus I keys to open your settings and then scroll down and select the troubleshoot. Under system, you will have the troubleshoot option. Just click on troubleshoot and then select other troubleshooters and click on run beside printer. Once the process is complete, restart your device to see if the printer error has been resolved. Or the second method is kernel mode. Drivers operate in kernel mode and have unlimited access to hardware and memory. But sometimes the kernel mode driver's policy can malfunction due to corrupted drivers. Disable the policy and check if the error is fixed. Click on the start menu and then search for local group policy. After opening, you can go with computer configuration. Under computer configuration, you will have administrative templates, and under that, you will have printers. Search for disallow installation of printers using kernel mode drivers and double click on it. After double clicking, now here you will have this kind of interface. Now click on disable and select OK. After that, apply, and this might fix your problem. Or if this doesn't fix your problem, then the third method is if your Windows does not have GP edit or the registry editor, the group edit policy, then you can change some values in the registry editor also. You can change some values. But before you do that, make sure to create a system restore point, as even a tiny error in the registry editor can cause various problems. Now press the Windows plus R keys together to open your run command. Now you need to enter REGEDIT and then hit the enter. Click on yes and it will open up your registry editor. And once you're on your registry editor, you need to go with the following path, which is first you need to go with HKey local machine, and under HKey local machine, you need to go with software, and under your software, you will have policies, find policies. Once you're on your policies, you need to go with Microsoft, and under Microsoft, you need to find Windows NT, and then go with printers, and after that, go with point and print. And after that, here on the right side, you will have InForest. You need to right click on the InForest and then select modify. And you need to change the value data to 0. And after that, go with OK. And that might fix your problem. So these were the few solutions. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.